Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix iMessage not working. Common causes explained step by step clearly. First, confirm you have an active internet connection by opening Safari and loading a website on Wi-Fi or cellular. If the web does not load, toggle airplane mode on for 10 seconds and off to refresh your network connection. Next, go to Settings and tap Messages to make sure iMessage is turned on. If iMessage is already on, turn it off. Wait 30 seconds and turn it back on to re-register the service. Now, in Settings, go to Messages and open Send and Receive to verify your phone number and Apple ID email are selected correctly. If you see a spinning wheel or wrong addresses, tap your Apple ID, sign out, then sign back in to refresh activation. Check that your date and time settings are correct by going to Settings, General, Date and Time, and enabling Set Automatically. Make sure you are not blocked by going to Settings, Messages, Blocked Contacts, and removing any accidental blocks. Confirm the recipient can receive iMessages by ensuring you are sending to an iPhone user and the conversation shows iMessage, not text message. If messages are stuck, open the chat, press and hold the failed message, and choose Try Again. Turn off Low Data Mode by going to Settings, Cellular, Cellular Data Options, Data Mode, and selecting Standard. Disable any VPN temporarily by going to Settings, VPN, and switching it off because VPNs can interfere with Apple services. Restart your iPhone by powering it off completely for 30 seconds and turning it back on. After reboot, check Apple's system status page for iMessage outages to confirm it is not a server-side problem. Update iOS by going to Settings, General, Software Update, and installing the latest available version. Verify your Apple ID is working by opening Settings, tapping your name, and ensuring you are signed in without alerts. Check your iCloud settings by going to Settings, Your Name, iCloud, and making sure Messages in iCloud is enabled if you use it. If Messages in iCloud is on and syncing seems stuck, toggle it off. Wait a minute, then toggle it back on. Clear storage space by going to Settings, General, iPhone Storage, because low storage can cause messaging issues. Review your SMS settings by going to Settings, Messages, and enabling Send as SMS so you can still message when iMessage fails. Ensure MMS messaging is enabled in Settings, Messages, especially if pictures or group chats are not sending. If activation fails, go to Settings, Phone, My Number, and confirm your number is correct and formatted properly. Remove and reinsert your SIM card carefully, or on eSIM devices toggle the line off and on in Settings, Cellular. Reset network settings by going to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, Reset, and choosing Reset Network Settings. After the reset, reconnect to Wi-Fi and test iMessage again by sending a new message to a known iPhone contact. If only one contact fails, delete the conversation, start a new thread, and resend to remove corrupted chat data. If group iMessage fails, create a new group and re-add participants to refresh group routing. When nothing helps, contact Apple support or your carrier because activation and routing can require back-end fixes. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.